years ago. Siguro that was 10 years ago. When one of my second to the eldest sister died because of cancer. I was just wondering. But when my other sister died of cancer again, I became worried, somewhat afraid, and I cried a lot. I told myself, sino na ang susunod? And I kept on praying na wala na siya sa isip ko. Then, the third time, it was Mina at the age of 63. So I said, this is it. Ako na. Akala ko ligtas na ako, hindi pala. I am waiting. I am waiting kung ano na ang mangyayari. Akala ko pa naginip lang eh. Totoo pala. But I'm still alive. With all the pains, fears, worries, buhay pa ako. And I'm praying that God give me strength, longer life. Marami pa akong mission sa buhay. But just last January 20, my sister died. Again, my elder sister. She was diagnosed of cancer last year and she died last January 20. We are 5 sisters in the family at 2 na lang kaming naiiwan. Nagka-cancer din ako, so isa na lang. I give my faith to God. Lord, kayo na po ang bahala sa akin. Lord, I will try my best na sundin ang mga gusto nyo at pinag-uutos nyo. Thank you, Lord. Kayo na po ang bahala.